is April 26, 2017, and we're standing on Highway 101 North in Oakville, Washington, 98550, and we are going to take a tour of the site because Jimmy and his crew at L are installing fences on the property to divide it so that we will have our own entranceway to the pot production facility. Here we are at the front gate of 95 US Highway 101. Let's go look. A gate that's been the company gate here forever will be divided so that this entranceway will provide a pathway, private driveway to the Green Harvest Cannabis Company. So it will start here. This is the existing gate. And as you can see, we have a new post here. And that fence will be built here with more posts. And it will connect to that end post there. This end post is a corner post, and as you can see, the holes were dug, cement was prepped, and the posts were installed. Here they are. And so forth, and so forth. And there are 15 posts to the corner of the building. And as you see, a gate will be installed right here. That's where the gate's going to be installed. And this gate provides access to the remainder of the property right here. As you can see. So, a driveway will be established here, going up here around the building. Let's take a walk and see. This pile will be removed. This vehicle will be removed so that we have a clear driveway to the back of the building where the production facility is. We're walking the length of this building, or this driveway, which is 200 feet plus. And you can see it fronts the highway. Those telephone poles were installed in June of last year to upgrade the power to 600 amps. Now we're turning the corner, and there's our facility. Let's take a look at the walk we've just done. That's 200 feet. Let's go look. So we turn the corner. Driveway continues. Let's take a look at the field. And there's the property fence. There's Highway 101. And here's our nice little field. We'll turn this into a vegetable garden someday. So, as we continue to walk here, this is going to be the proper driveway to the facility for our insurance purposes, for security purposes, for general safety purposes. There it is. Here's our facility. Now, we've been driving through and in between these buildings, but as you can see, they're going to fence the driveway through this building so no one can drive between these buildings any further. There's the post for that one. I guess they ran out of posts and they're getting more posts. But what we'll do is we'll clear this one more time and keep the grass down. And no one will be allowed to drive through this between the buildings anymore. Here's the barbed wire. Let's go look on this side. And so, to further prevent crossover access, a fence is going to be built here. Here's our handicapped parking spot, but a fence will be built here. As you can see, they've already got the posts there. Wow, they're going all the way there. That's how far that's going to go. So, there's going to be a post there, a post here preventing access. So all this will be blocked off. Let's take a walk. This is also 200 feet. And we'll we'll cut the grass one more time before they fence it off. This prevents illegal access or trespassing onto our production facility property, and you know, the more secure the better. So these are the septic tank pipes. We have a septic line running underneath my path right now that stretches almost close to a quarter of a mile down the road up that hill to the leach fields. And you can see that in previous videos. So this will be blocked off? I don't know. I don't think so. But it will be blocked off at the very top there. We've just walked 200 feet. Okay. There's the septic tank control box. We'll just take a walk here. It's our septic tank control box. And we have three 2,500 gallon containers underneath these, buried under here. And there's the control box. And of course the septic lines run all the way along that path to the top of the hill to our leach fields. I'm walking through a valley of U-Hauls. Or actually U-Hauls containers. And there it is. That is the plan. To put a fence up to securely improve and prevent trespassing. This is the future building where we're going to put our Tier 3 in. It's the home to many beautiful pigeons now. And this will be the future home of Site B, license number 413340. It's currently a staging area for this and for that, as you can see. And to the left of that blue house is the leach fields. And here we go. We've just done a 360-degree walk. of the property site. And this used to be my favorite way to drive between the buildings. It's now going to be blocked off and fenced to prevent that. And there's our storage area in the foreground, the back, way in the distance there. You can see our storage shed with our shipping container. And there you have it. And this is going to be fixed next week. There was a fire here in February of 2015. It's going to be repaired this next week, and so we have a brand new door there. And that will be the gate entrance through the rest of the property. There you have it. Our next video will show you completed fence with the barbed wire, and we'll take you on a walk when that's done sometime next week. Thank you, folks.